Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Samsung Tech Station. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix app crashing on Android and you want to fix it. In today's video, I'm going to be actually showing you guys how to fix that problem. First, all you need to do is to tap and hold on the app that you want to fix. So I'm going to be tapping and holding on my WhatsApp to show you guys how to do it. You click it. Once you tap and hold on it, you're going to be clicking on app info. Here you're going to be clicking on storage and cache. Here you're going to be clearing the storage and clear the cache as well. And you're going back to your settings. Here you're going to on your settings here you're going to be clicking on system and click on system update and update your system. Once you are done that, you are going to go to your Play Store and on your Play Store you are clicking on your profile, click on management, app management and device. So you are going to be clicking on update available device apps. So pending downloads. So if there is any app for you to update, as you can see there are much apps here for me to update on my device. You're going to be clicking on update all. Once you click on that, then once they are done updating, you can now restart your phone. You can just go ahead and click on the power button, hold on it and click on restart here, or you can go ahead and off your phone and restart it again. So that is it on how to fix the problem. If you found this video helpful, because I've come to the very end of this video, please remember to subscribe, hit the notification bell in order for you to know when we create more helpful videos like this on this channel. See you guys in the next one. Bye.